Okay, boys, welcome to your math class. Today in maths, we are going to start with our Unit 1, Numbers to 100, Lesson 1.2, Counting up to 100, which is on page number 19 to 22. You have to open your learner's book with your pencils and be ready. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to represent two-digit numbers in tens and ones, estimate how many objects, and count in backs in ones, twos, and tens. So kindly open your books, learner's book, and be ready and follow my instructions. So here in page number 19 of your maths learner's book, we have some of the vocabulary words that are accurate, accurately, collection, and orders. So moving on to the next page, let's start the exercise. Exercise 1.2. Here is a chart of numbers which says which 10 number is missing from the grid. So easy is that we are going to count in tens starting from the lowest number, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I cannot find it anywhere. So we have 80, 90, and 100. Which 10 number is missing from the grid? So it's easy. It was 70. That is missing from the grid. Then we have next question. Write the 10 numbers in orders from 10 to 100. So 10 is written. What comes after 10? 20. We are adding 10. We are counting in tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 10 is 70. And we have 80 and 90 and 100. Okay, that was first question was super easy. So we have counted in tens and we have solved the question. So moving on, Arun and Zara make some numbers. Arun chooses the tens, Zara chooses the ones, which each number they make in parts whole diagram. Okay, Zara is counting in 10, Arun is counting in tens, and Zara is counting in ones. So let's count how many and how Arun is counting. So Arun is going to count the numbers that are in tens. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we have tens and here we have ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40. It is Arun is counting in tens, so he make the numbers that are 4 tens, means 40, and Zara is counting in ones. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total it is going to be 40, 45. And we are going to separate them by counting tens in the first circle, that is counted by Arun, that is 40, and Zara has counted in ones, so it will be 5. 40, and here is 5. So 40 is Arun's number, and Zara chooses ones that are 5. 40 tens and 5 ones makes 45. That we wanted two numbers, 5 are ones and 40 are tens. So move on to the next question. Again, Arun is choosing tens and Zara is choosing ones. Let's count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So Arun's number is 80. Okay, so 80 tens, 8 tens means 80. Let's count for Zara how many ones she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they are less than tens, so we are going to put them in ones block. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it is 7. 7 ones and 8 tens. So 80 and 7 makes 87. So these are total number that are 87. How many tens were there? 8 tens and 7 ones. Okay. So this is our question number 1 and question number 2. Okay, moving on to the third questions. How many in each collection? Estimate, then count to check. Here are different colors of beans. So we can estimate. Estimate means you just have to estimate. You don't have to count it actually. So let's think how many are those. But estimate means to guess, not to count in an actual, just we have to estimate. So some of the boys have said it is 50 and some of them are 50 and some of the guys said it is 100. So it doesn't look like it is 10, 20 or it may be 50 or 100. So what you are going to do, draw a ring around the groups of 10 objects, count in tens and then in ones to find out how many in the collection. So it can be 50 or it can be in 100. So most of you guys said it is 50. So we are going to estimate 50. So it can't be 10 or 20. So we are going to cross it out, or it may be, we can say it is 50 because there are too many. Okay, so let's focus with me, guys. So let's me put them in the groups by counting them and putting them into tens. So let's make circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me start from the up. Make a circle for 10 beans. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and tens. So likewise, you are going to make different groups by counting in tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is how you are going to make them and count them in tens. Okay, and then you have to write it the exact numbers. So you have to circle tens. Okay, in one circle you should have 10 beans. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8. So when we counted, actually there were 8 tens and 4 ones. So it will be 84 will be our answer. Okay, here are some more boxes you are going to estimate. So let's see. No, I think they are not 10 boxes. Or 100. No, we can say these are between 20 or 50. So we can say it as 20. Let's estimate. So these are less boxes, so we cannot say it is 100. So we can say it is 20. So now what we are going to do, again, we are going to put them in the boxes of 10. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's up to you. You can make them in the groups of tens. So like this, I'm going to make it in the groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are tens. Let's make more 10 boxes. Counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here is another group for me of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's see how many are there left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 ones. 9 ones. For 9 ones, we are going to circle them. Let's circle from here to here. These are 9. So how many we have now? We have 2 tens and 2 tens and 9 ones. Let's count again. Maybe we can make mistakes, so we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10, 20. So we have 2 tens. So here we are going to say 2 tens and 9 ones. Because they are less than tens, we cannot put them in another box. So our answer is going to be 29. 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. So complete your books till question number 3, and let's move on to the next question. That is question number 4 of your learner's book. Page number 22. Open the page number 22. So question number 4. Where were your estimation good in question number 3? Yeah. What helps you to make a good estimate? Marcus count from 0 to 100 in twos. Draw a ring around any number he does not say. So let's count in twos. What are the numbers that we are going to say in twos? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let me write it here for you. That will be helpful for you people. Counting in twos. So when I'm going to count in numbers, we will say 2, 4, 6, 8, 8. We have 10. Counting in twos, guys. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and so on. We will say it is till 40 and so on till 100. So we are going to circle the even numbers, okay? The odd numbers, even numbers, we are going to not circle, we are going to circle the odd numbers. So 68, 8 comes in the 8 comes in the table of 2, so we are not going to circle it. 7, 2, 3 is a 6, and 2, 4 is a 8. So 7 does not comes in counting in twos. If 7 doesn't comes, 37 is not going to come. 91, 1 does not comes in the number. We have 15 that does not comes when we are counting in twos. 59 when we count in twos, it does not come. 63 does not comes. 11 doesn't comes, and 3, 73. So these were the numbers when we are counting in twos. When we are counting in twos, these numbers are not going to come because we are counting even numbers and they are odd numbers that we have circled. Why doesn't Marcus say these numbers? Marcus does not say these numbers because, right? Because they are odd numbers, and odd numbers doesn't come when we are counting, when we are counting in twos. We will not have the we will not have the we will not have these odd numbers. So 7, 37, 91, 15, 59, 63, 11, and 73 are odd numbers. So when Marcus is counting from was counting in twos till 100, so these numbers he is not going to call them out. Okay, so that was all for today's lesson. Take care and have a nice day.